Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows 11 Getting Windows Ready loop. First, try a complete power reset. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until your computer shuts down completely. Disconnect all external devices such as USB drives, printers, keyboards, and mice. If you are using a desktop PC, unplug the power cable. If your laptop has a removable battery, remove it as well. Wait for about 2 to 3 minutes before reconnecting everything. Then turn your computer back on and check if Windows loads normally. If the problem continues, you can access Windows Recovery. Turn on your computer, and as soon as you see the Windows logo or your computer manufacturer's logo, press and hold the power button to force a shutdown. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. On the fourth startup, allow the computer to continue booting. Windows should automatically open the automatic repair screen. When the recovery screen appears, click Advanced Options. Next, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose Startup Repair. Windows will scan for startup problems and attempt to fix them automatically. Wait for the repair process to finish and then restart your computer. If Windows is still stuck after trying these methods, you may need to reset Windows. From the Recovery menu, go to Troubleshoot and select Reset this PC. Choose the option to keep your personal files. This will reinstall Windows while preserving your documents and other personal data, although some apps and settings may be removed. Thanks for watching.